If you have a planted aquarium with plants that require high CO2 dose and proper lighting, for example attractive plants like baby tears and some carpeting grass etc., then you might need a CO2 injection system for your planted aquarium. Now most of the CO2 injection systems are costly, costing above 25,000 Indian rupees or more than $300. Now in this video I will show you a CO2 diffuser system that costs less and is very efficient. You can control the bubble per second also in this CO2 injection system. For this CO2 injection system you require a do-it-yourself CO2 kit that is available in Amazon. Just type the do-it-yourself CO2 kit in the search bar and you can get it. It has two bottle caps with pressure gauge and controlling knobs. The bottle caps are marked A and B separately, that goes to separate bottles. Next you need a bubble counter. It is also available in Amazon. You can check the video descriptions. All links are pasted in the video description. You can buy it from there. Next you need a CO2 diffuser kit with the U-shaped funnel above the tank going tube and a check valve. Next you need a 2-liter bottles. I took a Pepsi bottle which is of 2 liter and remove the banner stickers. You need 2 such bottles. Next you need a liquid measuring cup that can measure the amount of liquid that can be poured from 0 to about 600 ml. And also a funnel. You also need a citric acid powder that is about 200 grams. A pure baking soda powder more than 200 grams. So costing all these, it comes around 3,500 rupees, that is $25 to $48. You can start by filling bottle A with citric acid powder, 200 grams of it. Now fill the bottle B with baking soda powder, again 200 grams. So each bottle gets 200 grams of their respective powders, that is citric acid for bottle A and baking soda for bottle B. It is very essential to remember it that bottle A has the citric acid powder and bottle B has the baking soda powder. Now next you need to take 200 ml of water and add to bottle B. It's not bottle A but bottle B gets 200 milliliter of water. Now mix it properly to form a solution. Now similarly you have to take 600 ml of water, not 200 ml but 600 ml of water and add to bottle A, that is containing the citric acid powder. You have to also mix it properly to form a proper solution. Now attach bottle cap A to the bottle A that is containing the citric acid solution. So the bottle A gets the measuring gauge. Now attach the bottle cap B to the bottle B. that is containing the baking soda solution. Now after closing all the knobs, you have to squeeze the bottle A containing citric acid so that the solution goes to bottle B containing baking soda. You have to keep squeezing the bottle A until the pressure gauge shows the needle in green zone. Now meanwhile the pressure is building up, we can attach the other things. Now attach the cap B with the pipes as shown here. First we have to attach the check valve. Next we have to attach the bubble counter. First cut the pipe to the desired length and attach it to the long needle-like opening that is going into the bubble counter. Similarly, the other opening of the bubble counter is also attached with the pipe. Now you have to cut a desired length as per your aquarium height and attach the U-shaped funnel. Then attach the ceramic disc that diffuses the CO2. Now keep squeezing the bottle A until an adequate pressure is built up and the gauge needle is in green zone. You can also adjust the pipe of bottle A using the magnet that is provided with the new CO2 diffuser kit. Old one doesn't have that magnet. Also, you can add water to the bubble counter so that the bubbles per second is visible in the bubble counter. You have to keep repeating the squeezing, and when the pressure builds up and the needle is in green zone, you can use it in aquariums. You have to cut the pipes at desired length so that all fits well in the aquarium. Now release the CO2 from bottle B and check the bubbles per second. You can also refer the manual provided. Based on the width of your aquarium, you can set the bubbles per second. And based on that, the total system will last for 60 days or 20 days depending on the width of your aquarium. I have a 10-gallon aquarium, so I have adjusted the bubbles at 1 bubble per 2 seconds, and it will last for about 60 days. And that's it. This is the cheap diffuser kit that can be used in planted aquarium, and it is much cheaper than the costly cylinders, CO2 cylinder that is available. So check the links in the description if you are willing to set up a CO2 system like this one. I have dropped all the links for all the equipment. You can check it out. The main advantage of this CO2 system is that you can adjust the CO2 injection using the check valves, and based on the requirement the CO2 can be injected into the planted aquarium. So that's it for this video. I hope you liked it. Give this video a like and share it with your friends, and do subscribe for watching the upcoming videos. Until next video, bye and take care, and thanks for watching.